Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be playing RC Plane 3. I'm just going to be showing you how to play. Oh gosh, what did I do? Just going to be showing you how to play, and yeah. Be showing you how to play, how to fly, how to do stunts, where to go, stuff like that. This is going to be a pretty short video, so yeah. So yeah, I don't know what I did. Yeah, I don't know. This is absolutely insane to control. I would not recommend buying this plane. It is completely, it's really hard to control. So I'm gonna do a different plane. So basically, go into pause and then you go to menu. I'm pretty sure. Oh no. Settings. That. No. You go to vehicle, and then you can just pick your plane like that. I'm gonna be flying one of my favorite planes. I forgot what it's called. I haven't played this game in a while. Where is it? Oh no. Yes. Nope. Okay, I think I did the one I want. I'm going to be flying a plane that I really personally like. And then you can also do like paintball wars and things. I personally am not that good at them. Bang. This thing has retractable landing gear, I'm pretty sure. I forgot. Yeah. Number 3 camera. My personal favorite. If you want to like show off in air, landing gear, I have customized this plane a lot, and so like I've customized it a lot. It doesn't come like this. So anyways, you do this, you pull that throttle up, and then you can just like fly. Like just on the steer, and then bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna fly up into the sky. So anyways, yeah, this is gonna be the end. Bye.